So this is the bonus video for those of you who watched my last video to the end. Now, a lot of people can teach you how to get your pictures beautifully made with Gemini app, but not all will teach you how to get your prompts, okay? Enough of you going to somebody's post, please give me your prompt, give me your prompt. You don't need that, my darling, okay? You can get your own prompts by yourself. So because you watched my last videos, here it is on a very simple step-by-step guideline on how you can get it, okay? You also can get your prompt without stress in less than 40 seconds. My darling, all you need to do is to get your Pinterest app ready. If you don't know what Pinterest app is in 2025, here it is. Get it. You will be needing it, okay? Pinterest is going to be your number one app to get your prompt. Very easy, very simple, very demure. Watch the video and tell me what you think about it. So because you have watched the other one, let's learn how to get our prompt. We're going to be using the Pinterest app. Click on it, allow it to open. I'm kind of having network issues, so it's kind of the okay. Here is few of the searches I've made so far. Like my idea, the kind of image I want to create. So this is just a few of them. And then you're going to click on your search button and then type in your idea, how you want to see or how you want to create your image to look like, just to get an insight of what is in your mind. You can choose to make it straightforward, but here is a simple way to get your prompts without wasting much time. Okay? If you know how you want to look, how you envision yourself to look, go ahead and type it there. Pinterest got you covered. These are few I have researched for both myself and for other people. So you type, for example, a woman, a lady in cooking in a kitchen. I think let's use that for example. Okay. Yeah. Now we're going to wait for it to load. Then voila, you have plenty of them to choose from. You can scroll until you get something that suits your taste. So go ahead and scroll. Whatever you see that you want to use, you're free to download any of them. So because we're going to use something that our face is going to show, if you can see all those ones decided and all of those things. So we have to choose a better one. I think this one right here will do a good job for us. So let's pick the first one. Go ahead and click on download image and make sure it downloads to your gallery. Then we'll move to our gallery and do the rest. Make sure it is downloaded. Sometimes it doesn't download, so be sure it's downloaded. You can go ahead and go and check your gallery to be sure before moving to Gemini app. So because we have done that, cross-checking and it's right there. Go ahead, move to our Gemini app and edit our AI video looking exactly like this. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm teaching here. If you're understanding it, please make me know that you understand it. So you already know the process. Go to your Gemini app, type on create image. Then we have to upload the image we downloaded from Pinterest, which is this particular one. Yes, click on it and then type in generate prompt. Generate prompts to this, or will I say of this image provided. Okay. Of the image provided. Yeah. When you're done typing your generate prompt to this image, just click on the send icon and wait for it to generate from you. Just 3 seconds and it's going to bring out everything that you need for this picture. Then you can click on your copy, or better still, select your words. So for me, I would recommend you just select so that you can just select the part you want to, and then go straight and edit the picture. Okay. We have succeeded in copying the parts of the write-up we want. Then the next thing is to move to create image. I bet you already know this process. Click on the original face of which you normally or you would want to use to create your image, your AI image. Click that particular image that shows your face. Remember, you don't necessarily need to get a full image or full picture of you. A bold selfie video picture is enough, so that you can get your clear face, so that when you edit, it will look exactly like you. As usual, now type our first sentences using this image, generate realistic prompt, and paste that prompt we already copied. Make sure you edit, remove whatever that is not needed for you. You can change your hairstyle, the color of the clothes, the color of the kitchen, whatever you want to, but this helps you know where to edit and where to not to edit. So after the editing, probably the next thing you should do is remember to put our ending part, making sure that you tell the AI to maintain your facial expression. That way it will come out looking exactly like you. And then the next thing you do is to click on send. After that, it will generate for you. Remember, AI can make mistakes, so feel free to edit as much as possible until you are able to get what you are satisfied with. So we already pasted our prompt, waiting for it to generate our beautiful image. And let's see how it comes out, whether it's going to look exactly like me. Okay, voila. It's nice, isn't it? Isn't it beautiful? Now, a lot of, little adjustments was made, but it's okay. You can work with this. Go ahead and download it and make use of it and post it anywhere you are using it. Remember to turn on your AI feature on your post too. Go to your gallery and check if it's there. Okay, so look at it, sitting pretty. This is the old one. This is the idea that we used to create this particular one. Isn't it looking the same? Because we no longer need this one. You can go ahead and delete it to create space and use our main image. Thank you. Now that you have watched this video to the end, type your thank you in the comment section. And if you still have any question, or there is any part of the video you got confused, ask your question under the comment section. Please like this video, share this video, comment. That is the only way you can help me, okay, my darling? Thank you so much for watching this video to an end. Thank you so much. Bye. See you on my next video.